Hotel Terminal, and we are just about to go on Ventura. 2 weeks down to Canary, so we're hoping to do some videos while we're there, and that's it. About 3 o'clock now. We got on board the ship. There was a bit of a delay. There was a problem with the ramp or something, but not a problem. And we've had some food. The food was really nice. Typical buffet. Got a drink. Yeah, because we got some onboard spending money to spend. Yep. So had a nice drink, mojito, and just a beer currently. We've been on the ship before. A few years ago. You sort of forget what it's like, don't you? But yeah, Ventura's a nice ship. More recently we've been on Iona and Britannia, but still Ventura's a lovely ship, and just going to cruise off at 5 o'clock, about 5, something like that, on our way down to the Canaries. That was a really nice day, wasn't it? It was relaxing. What else? Warm, lovely and warm, calm. Yep. Yeah, really surreal, really, because it's just been so nice and warm and so lovely. So we've done a lot. We had nice food, went in the hot tub, and had some drinks, and went to the sail away, and it was really good just going past the island and just seeing our home, just very close by. And it's a gorgeous evening now, so we're just getting ready and just going to go down and have some food. Don't know what we're going to have. What we're going to have, who knows? I'm sure we'll have something lovely as ever. But that's it.